Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, back to a more typical look for our weather pattern here across much of the Pacific Northwest. High pressure aloft sitting just offshore, keeping some of the moisture around it. Again, some of the low fog stuck in the valley for most of the day. It's kind of typically what we see for this time of year. Not a whole lot of activity out there. In fact, our Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep is showing just a couple of blips near the end there. Those little flashes you saw, those are actually as the sun is setting because of the low sun angle here this time of year. Some of the sun rays will bounce off the radar. Radar will pick those up as they scoot their way through. Kind of a cool little shot of those. That's about it. Otherwise, it is all quiet from Seattle all the way down into Northern California. Good if you're traveling this week for anticipation of next week. Christmas time on next Wednesday. Wow, amazing it's here already. As you might expect with the fog in the valley, that was keeping everybody relatively cool today. Low 40s in Portland, low 40s here in Eugene as well. 37 degrees down towards Roseburg. Medford socked into the fog around freezing today. Kind of a slippery go down towards Grants Pass and most of the Rogue Valley and then out to the coast. Look at that, very comfortable 61 degrees in North Bend and even warm out towards Bend and up in the mountains as well. Temperatures were well into the 50s today. Overnight tonight, we will see the clear skies give way to some of that patchy fog out to the coast. And again, fog an issue here already across the valley. Temperatures will hover right around freezing. Visibility likely down below 2 miles to about 1/4 of a mile in some spots. And so it will be a little slick out there. And again, just give yourself a little extra time if you headed out tonight. Current temperature in Newport at 50 degrees. Contrast that, 36 in both Cottage Grove and Roseburg, 32 in Sun River, and still sitting well above freezing. So even though we have some visibility issues, we're not dealing with a lot of that fog, or at least the mist from it anyway, sticking to the roadways just yet. So there's our weakening cold front kind of riding over top of the jet stream. It's going to try to punch through some of this ridge as it moves its way southward over the next 24 to 36 hours. So let's take our stormcast and roll in through Tuesday morning. About 10 o'clock, most of that will be off towards the western Washington coast. We roll it into much of the afternoon, into early Wednesday morning. Some lightly scattered showers. I think that should be wrapped up pretty much by about lunchtime. And there will be a little bit of snow up in the mountains. What starts off as rain will change over to snow. Mountains have much better chances to get some accumulating snow later on into the week as we get a stronger system by Friday. So we'll go mostly sunny after the fog starts to burn away. Out at the coast, temperatures again comfortable in the 50s. Low 40s in the Umpqua. Some afternoon sun breaks, about the best we can muster. Beautiful afternoon up in the mountains with temperatures around 50 degrees. Freezing levels around 9,000 feet. Mostly sunny and mild, low 50s across the Bend and Redmond area. And, light winds and a lot of fog and an inversion. Not going to mean a whole lot of sunshine for us here in the Southern Valley. Now, snow for our Saturday forecast along the coast. No, that's the first day of winter, which will be very showery and pretty much what we expect along the coast in the wintertime around here. Fog for the next couple of days in the Umpqua. Temperatures a little cooler on Thursday. That's where we may get some snow starting to move through some of the mountains. Otherwise, it's back to rain. In the Cascades, speaking of, we'll see some snow showers both Wednesday, Friday. That transitions back to rain showers. And then finally, as we head in towards the Willamette Valley, we'll see a few isolated showers Wednesday. Better chances to get a little more widespread coverage Friday and for the first day of winter officially on Saturday.
First day, wow. We'll be right back.